I welcome you to the installation that was carried out on Bele, Adamawa State. This is not just the normal inverter installation, this is a mini grid installation. I will run all through the equipment that we have on site that we have successfully installed. We have a 15 kVA 6 units. As you can see, this is the master, this is the slave of the first phase, and this is the master, and this is the slave of the second phase, and this is the master, and this is the slave of the third phase. 6 units of 15 kVA inverter, that makes it a total of 90 kVA that we have installed on this energy grid. We have a total of 20 charge controllers. As you can see, this is the first charge controller. We move down, we have the second set of the charge controller. We move down, we have the control devices, the breakers and the surge coming in from the PV. Then the last breaker box there is for the output voltage. Down here we have the control buses, the input control bus and the output control bus. As you can see, the output of the inverter is already on, it's supplying and it's working perfectly. Now this is the next line, the next phase of our charge controller, and this is the Sabo GS, the communication device, the brain, I call it the brain box of the system. Now these are BYD, our BMS device, responsible of taking care of the battery, and these are Orion, a DC to DC converter, and this is the remaining set of the charge controllers. In here we have a lithium ion battery fully racked on the cabinet, nicely connected. Each unit is 5 kilowatts, and we have a total of 40 units of it, though by installation and configuration 2 has an internal problem which will be returned and will be brought back to the site. So let's go through. This is the 3 cabinets. Each of the cabinet contains 6 units of the BYD 5 kilowatt battery, and total here is 18. Moving is a router and a mini inverter. Don't worry, that is just for another discussion of the day. And this is our DC bus, the positive and the negative bus. Moving over is the next 18 batteries fully racked in their cabinets, and lastly is the 2. Thank you.